Welcome to a Mossrock tutorial on how to use the karaoke machine that is located in the Mossrock Tavern. The karaoke machine can be turned on in either two different functions. If you turn this on switch to the left, you're going to have the disco lights going on top here. To the right, it's on with no lights. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to turn this on with no lights so it's not distracting in the video itself. Okay, there is a 12-volt port here.
Mode.
There's a charging port here. The cable is actually normally plugged in behind the TV. Okay, if this is, let me show you real quick. Okay, if it's red, that's because it's actually charging the onboard battery that's inside the unit. You don't necessarily have to always have this plugged in, but if you're using it in the bar, you might as well just leave it plugged in. And once the machine's on there, you just need to go into our barrage of remotes that are down here. Just note, this Sony remote that's labeled volume is specifically for the Sony soundbar, and there's a subwoofer down here. You can just turn that on, and then once that's on, either the Roku or the Sony TV controls will actually adjust the volume of the soundbar for you. Okay, but once that's on, turn the TV on. You may need to cycle through the inputs on the TV remote just to find the right input for the Roku controls. You're best to use the Roku for your smart TV interface. The onboard TV interface of this particular TV is a little bit dated and slow, but the Roku works perfectly fine. So the best way to do the karaoke we found is go over to YouTube. And once you're in YouTube, you can actually just do a search function. Okay, so go up to search, and you can use the voice control on the Roku to search for karaoke songs. Beach Boys, Surfin' USA. And then, so if I do that without the karaoke function, you're gonna get just the music. Okay, you'll actually see there's karaoke down below because we've been doing this, but Beach Boys, Surfin' USA, karaoke. As soon as you specify karaoke, it's gonna give you options that have actually got the lyrics for you so you can sing along. And you can choose whichever one you want. Some of these different providers have better formats than others. So try different ones at times to see which way you like the actual lyrics to be shown as you're singing along. Now, the remotes for the karaoke are located in the top drawer here. There's some very insufficient instructions in here, but there are two remotes. All you have to do is press the power button and the remote is on. Okay, so it'll work there. And just please turn these off. They just use AAA batteries. So when you're done with them, turn them off, put them back in the drawer. Now, you do have an echo function on this, which you can play with. You may have actually heard that there. Sometimes a little bit echo is fun. And then you can adjust your mic volume. So if you want to hear your voice more than the music, you can turn mic volume up. And this is the volume specific to the speaker. There's also a remote for the karaoke here. That's this one here. So you can actually do some of those functions while you're sitting on the couch. So those options are there. Please just try not to turn this up too loud so you don't blow the speaker. But have fun with it and enjoy your vacation.